bugs aren't too bad unique. One of the more fun things of the property is the animals. I specifically got low maintenance animals that really just make you smile. From the alpacas that my kids all named the goats, the 2 horses that we have on property, the chickens, the farm cats, and we'll continue to add other animals that make you smile. But we have a cold plunge, natural cold plunge. I call it the world's best cold plunge because you get grounding as well as cold water therapy in one. We're heading towards the podcast studio right now, which is also doubles as a hayloft and my hunting stand. But we have the house, the manor, the horse arena, horse ring, and 80 luscious acres that we get to do whatever we want to create whatever experience you want to go back to the world as a better human being. We're headed out to the treehouse as we speak. Treehouse you can stay overnight in. That being said, I use it as a reflection spot. Great spot to connect with your inner being. Perhaps you just learned something. You want to take some time to reflect. Very few times in our busy lives, whether it be with our marriages, our kids, our businesses, do we get the opportunity to sit in quiet and reflect. And man, sitting amongst these 40 acres of woods, listen to the birds chirp, the squirrels do their thing, and all other little critters, you get to deeply reflect on what you just learned, some life lessons that you want to take in, a better father, better husband, better business owner that you want to be. It's a great spot. Maybe the perfect spot.